Hey friends, welcome back to Home Decor 101, your YouTube home decor channel. Now, October is one of those magical months where the seasons truly shift. The days get shorter, the air turns crisp, and nature treats us to those beautiful, warm golden tones of autumn leaves. It's also the month of pumpkins, cozy sweaters, and of course, Halloween. A time when many of us look to bring that same warmth and seasonal charm into our homes. October has this unique way of balancing cozy comfort with a touch of drama, which makes it the perfect inspiration for decorating our rooms. When it comes to rooms to love this October, let's start with the living room. This is often the heart of the home, and in October, it's all about layering. Think chunky knit throws draped over the sofa, rich earth-toned pillows, and a few subtle fall accents like dried florals or a rustic wooden tray just filled with candles. The key here is warmth, whether through texture, color, or lighting.
Whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak just my mind.
Next, let's talk bedrooms. October is the month when your bed becomes extra inviting. Consider adding flannel sheets, a quilt in warm tones like burgundy, rust, or deep brown, and soft ambient lighting, maybe with a small lamp or even fairy lights. A few seasonal touches like a pumpkin on the nightstand or a fall-inspired art print can make the room feel extra cozy without overdoing it.
Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, 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 oh,
Now, the dining room also shines this time of year. October meals often stretch beyond everyday dinners and start to include gatherings. You don't need an elaborate setup, just a simple fall centerpiece like eucalyptus, pine cones, or mini pumpkins that can really transform your table. Mixing in darker, moodier table linens can also give your dining space that October charm, especially for hosting friends or family.
Don't wanna overthink it, baby. but I don't wanna miss you, baby.
Even small spaces like entryways can reflect the season. A rustic doormat, fall wreath, or a small console table styled with candles and autumn branches immediately sets the mood as soon as you walk in.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're chilling in the rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, oh.
October is a month that just really invites us to slow down, to savor the moment, and create cozy spaces we actually want to spend time in. Whether you're embracing the full fall aesthetic with pumpkins and bold, seasonal decor, or just adding subtle touches of warmth and comfort, there are so many ways to make your rooms feel special this month. Now, if you love these ideas and want more inspiration for making your home beautiful and inviting all year long, make sure to subscribe to the channel and check the description box where I've linked some of my favorite October-inspired home decor pieces. Thanks for watching, and here's to creating rooms that you'll love this October.